and on a sunny Saturday morning decided to do some DIY with this old looking drawers I have under my bed, just to make it match more with my cupboards. Since these were IKEA drawers, I could easily take them apart. So before starting to paint, I wanted to sand them down so it's easier for the paint to stick on. And I soon got tired of it, so I started using an electrical sander. I don't even think that's the official word, I've just made that up. It is what it is. Then I did try to talk about what I'm doing next in the actual video, but it was too loud for you guys to hear it, so here it is. So I'm just measuring it out, trying to see where I can put the handles, so making sure I can drill it through before I actually put the paint on. I have to say this is the first time I'm actually doing all the drilling and everything by myself, so this was quite interesting, trying to put the drill bits in and actually drill through the wood. I'm going to be painting this with this Cobra Man. Let's see how this goes. Definitely not a sponsored video by Cobra, but it was a great paint to use and instant dry. Couldn't have asked for anything better. Right, that looks fabulous. Gonna wait for it to dry up for a bit and put it back in. And that is the finished product. Looking nice for our first DIY job. Happy, very happy. And that was quick dry as well, so very good stuff, Cobra, well done. I'd say that's been quite a productive, good Saturday. Wouldn't you agree? So that was my attempt of trying to do some DIY. So yeah, I agree that it's not something new I've created. I've literally just painted a part of the drawer and stuck it back in. But I have to say I've added in handles. Let's just appreciate that. So if you think that's something you'd want to follow and see what other creative, funny ways I like to spend my time doing in quarantine, then yeah, definitely make sure you like, subscribe and share, because that's what we're here to do. Okay, thanks. Bye.